Next time you burp, thank the Vikings for making it polite. In Viking culture, a hearty burp after a meal wasn't rude. It showed respect for the cook's delicious food. A loud belch meant you were full and happy, and the host took it as a compliment. Vikings were big on communal feasting, sharing massive platters of meat, bread, and ale. Good manners included praising the meal with noises and laughter. While times have changed, some cultures still see burping as a sign of gratitude. So don't hold back at a Viking feast. Love strange traditions. Subscribe for more quirky cultural facts.